Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Once again, I hope you all are doing well. In this video, we will discuss 8 most trending YouTube channel ideas for 2021. Let's get started.
The common question of how to find trending topics for YouTube videos could be difficult for beginners. This list of ultimate all-time popular YouTube channel ideas will help you to start your YouTube channel.
Now friends, let's start with number 1, Tech Channels. Tech channels provides updates on technical and general information about YouTube, Google, and other social media platforms. And also you can give your honest review on the technology which you are using at home and also at your work. People are hungry for this type of content and wanted to know that they are buying the right stuff and using it in the right way. It can be mobile apps, software, or physical hardware. Discuss new gadgets, upgrades, upcoming technologies, and so much more on a dedicated tech channel. You will never run out of the content for this category.
Number 2. Unboxing. This is one of the popular style among YouTube influencers. It is an extremely popular category among all age groups. Choose your niche passionately and get move on.
Now friends, let's move on to niche number 3, which is top 10 or best of channel. If you have a good research skills, you can create your YouTube channel that includes a list of top 10 best of various industries or places. For example, top 10 places to visit or top 10 software companies and many more.
Number 4. Pranks. Pranks have been one of the most thriving YouTube video ideas for many years. Small to big, most pranks are always entertaining. Before you think to start pranks on your YouTube channel, you need to analyze its pros and cons.
Number 5. ASMR, which is Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response. It is one of the fastest growing content on YouTube. ASMR is all about the experience, using soothing sounds and imagery to relax viewers. ASMR creators look to create a physical response in the audience to something happening in the video. People come to these videos feel good and peaceful.
Number 6. Rant, speaking channel. Any subject in question that is bothering you or society could be ranted on this platform nowadays. Keep it funny, decent and sensible without offending anyone and keep your audience engaged. Remember, you shouldn't use any hate speech on this platform as per YouTube community guidelines, otherwise your channel will be terminated.
Number 7. Tutorial channel or how-to channel. Everyone needs to know something in their life, whether it's how to tie their shoelaces or how to change a tire for their car. Answering these how-to questions could get you ranking highly and gathering millions of views.
Number 8. Things to do. This could be anything about tourist destinations, food joints, or adventurous activities. Pick your talent in which you are perfect and start making videos and upload on your YouTube channel.
Well, that's it guys. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done before, and hit the bell icon to stay connected with my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.